Alexa, play me something else.
Here's a mix for you on Amazon.
Yeah, get that off here, man. Oh, yeah. My niece.
I just want to get this off my chest real quick. I was recently on the Dear Future Wifey podcast. Shout out to my brother for having me. It was a beautiful conversation, and shout out to you if you've seen it. There's a clip going around how I spoke on watching my dad play every role in our household so he could take something off of my mother's plate. He cooked, cleaned, he folded clothes, he would go to work. Whatever it was, my dad did it, and he defined what it meant to be a man to me. I would do the exact same for mine. But I'm seeing too many men in the motherfucking comment section talking about what I look like cooking, cleaning, and folding clothes. That's her job. You look like a man who signed up to love a woman, but you also look like a man who does not understand how large of a role a woman plays in a household. You look like a man who does not understand when his woman is overwhelmed. Niggas in the comment section saying my dad ain't cooked and cleaned in over 40 years. How do you think your mama feel about that?
Good morning. How are you guys? I am vlogging today with the DJI, and right now I don't have, well, first things first, I'm making my coffee, okay? So that's what I'm doing over there, and I'm scrolling my favorite TikTok, okay? Watching everybody cut up this morning, all right? But anyway, I'm recording on the DJI Osmo this morning and just gonna try to get used to her. I have to connect the microphone. I don't have that, so I'll show you guys what that sounds like once I open the box. And then I also bought a filter, so let's see. Come on. Look, I just rushed out the house to take the kid to school, and this is what it looks. Look, hair is not done. Oh God, this is the problem with the DJI Osmo. Okay, it gets everything. All right, so this is what it is. All right, don't judge me. You know they have different types of filters. Some block out sunlight, and some give you a different look or different effects on your lens. And so I was kind of blind with this one. I think this one is to like make it not so bright, but we'll see. I was just winging it. You know, I'm a spender. I'm a spender, y'all. So let's take a look. Newer, okay. And it's a filter for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and it says FL76, whatever that means. So that's all they're giving me on the box. But let's see. Let's open her up. Very, very tiny. She's very tiny. And she's supposed to be magnetic. So let's pop her on and see. So you guys look like this now. Let's see. What do you think? I think I saw a difference. Let's see. Let's take her off. Can she come off? Oh, goodness. Hold on. Okay. Much lighter without her. You see the difference? Now let's look. There she is on. I think it's okay, right? I think she's okay. We'll keep her on and we'll play with her today. So yes, that's the Newer brand filter. And again, this is the FL76. I'm not sure what that means, you guys. I'm new to this Osmo stuff. So the other thing that I purchased was the microphone. So this is the microphone. I might need instructions on how to put this together because I was watching a YouTube and not a YouTube, I was watching a TikTok, and on the TikTok it was really simple how to do it, but it wasn't as easy as just turning it on. So let me see. This is the DJI microphone. Okay, it's from the company, but I have been told that you do not need to have this particular microphone for the DJI. If you can get any microphone that is Bluetooth accessible. So, but that's okay. We don't mind having the brand's microphone. So it's not that bad. It was $100. That's what you hear in there is my phone. I walked away from my phone making coffee. And whatever I was watching started playing again. Jeez. Okay, so let's see. It's so tiny. This is a little salt packet. That's garbage. It's so tiny. It's right there in there. You see that? That's cute. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is the wind muff. It's tiny. And here is the microphone. She's adorable. She's so tiny. She's so tiny. What is this? Okay, and then here's the charger. All right, so that's what you get. You get the charger, the mic, and then you get the wind muff for outside. We're not outside. I don't need that right now, but isn't she cute? That's the wind muff. Let's see how you... Oh, you just stick her in there. You see? You just stick her in there. Love it. So cute. Oh, I'm a gadget girl. I love her. Now, let me go see the instructions because I saved it on one of my... I saved the instructions on how to actually start this up on one of my TikToks. So... hold on. Okay.
How to connect your DJI Pocket 3 to DJI Mic 2. First thing you gotta do is power on your Mic 2.
Power it on.
Go to the Pocket 3 and scroll down.
Okay, let's power her on. Look, I might not even be able to do it right now. Oh, she came on. Okay. Okay, I got it together. What do you guys think? Do I sound a little bit better? Am I louder? Am I what? That's the only thing. I'll have to figure it out when I play her back. But she is connected. It was super easy. All I had to do was go into settings, go down to microphone. And then when I got to microphone, I went over to, it says text TX1 and TX2. I just picked TX2. And then it told me to hold down this link button right here. It said it would start blinking blue. It did, and then there's a button right over where it was blinking blue. I pressed that down and held for like 3 seconds, and then it connected and asked me to press confirm and told me that it was on. So you guys let me know how this sounds. I'm testing it out right now. When I do a playback, I'll see how it sounds to me. And yeah, so we're in business. We have our microphone working, and then we have our filter on. So, okay, DJI, it told me that the microphone is at 60%. Let me kind of clip this because if I don't, then that'll be a problem all day. All right, we'll leave her like that and we'll see how she sounds. But my coffee is ready. Let me put you guys over here so you can see me make her. She looks so delicious. Are you all like me and you want to have coffee with your cream? I'm a cream girl, okay? Through and through, okay? And so we're just adding coffee to the cream. I need to comb my hair, get dressed, because I look a mess, okay? But this is how the days start, okay? Getting the kid up and out for school, coming back home, getting ourselves together, all right? And then playing around with new toys from time to time, okay? So I'm going to try to take you guys along with me for the day to watch me do some things. I have some editing to do today. We'll see what else I get into, see if I make some TikToks. Okay, y'all, I have a package at the front door. Let's go see what it is. Can you guys see? Got my hair in the top knot bun today with this really cute, like, panda print pink and orange top on. I don't know. I'll go in the office and show you a little bit better. Okay, I'm going to give you a piece of OOTD. Today I am wearing this panda print pink and orange sweater top from, I believe this is from Shein. I just got on a pair of jeans and some pink gym shoes from probably Shein to go with it. So this is my look for today. Just something, you know, casual, relaxed, but cute, you know? Yeah, let's open this package and see what we got. And this is nothing that I have, what I'm expecting should have come like in a bigger package, like, you know, clothes, you know, outfits. Usually that's what I'm expecting, but that doesn't appear to be this. So I don't know. Let's see. Oh. This is a phone that I ordered off of TikTok. It's an Android. It's an Android phone. I'm an iPhone girly, okay? And this is an Android phone that TikTok has been promoting because it comes with the TikTok app and pre-installed. And they promise that TikTok will always be installed and available through this app and this company, even if it's banned in the US. So I'm very curious to open this up and play with it. They sent the, oh, and it's unlocked. It comes with an SD card. Remember back in the day when our phones used to have SD cards? But now with Apple, if you want more storage on your phone, you have to buy a new phone. This one is unlocked. It comes with an SD storage card that you can replace, and you can take it to different vendors. You're not stuck to one vendor like Verizon or AT&T. You can take it anywhere. So I'm excited for this. And it's even better that because I'm a TikTok affiliate, I can do a video on this and show people what I think and make a commission. So, and it's a pretty high commission too. I think it's like $11 or something like that, which is high for TikTok. So I'm excited. Oh, this was good. I can't believe I have this sitting out there. All right. What you guys just saw was me doing a TikTok video for this sweater that TikTok shop that I purchased from TikTok shop, and for this faux collar that I also got from TikTok shop. And this is actually called a dickie, okay? I did several videos on this on TikTok and I was calling it a faux collar. And so many people in my comments kept saying, that's old school, that's a dickie. And I'm like, okay, how many comments am I gonna get about it? So yes, the dickies are coming back. They're wonderful, I love them. They spruce up any sweater that you wanna have a layered look for. And so that's what I was doing. So we're being productive today, guys. Yay.
This a reminder. This a reminder.
What's up, Pop? You doing that? I'm built this.
Okay, you guys, so I am getting ready to wrap this vlog up. I ended up coming home, eating dinner after I picked the kid up from school, and lost track of time. Usually after I pick her up from school and go get a bite to eat, I am running back into the house to get back to work because I don't have a lot of time, you know, in between before I have to finish up work and then log off. And so I ended up losing track of time because I ended up scrolling on TikTok. Of course, you guys know I love TikTok, and there's just so much stuff going on. There's, you know, all this stuff with the president and DEI, and then there's the Target boycott, and everybody's at Costco, and I mean, you have the ICE raiding schools and hospitals, and immigrants being deported and then coming back, and it's just so much going on, and I just I had lost track. Okay, I lost track of time and never picked up the camera again. So I was just chilling, you know, relaxing, and then remembered, oh, I need to wrap up the vlog. So here I am wrapping up the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, the little bit that I did give you. But I'll try again tomorrow, see how we're doing. We're doing pretty well. I am not doing the best at vlogging every day, but I am getting in, I want to say I'm averaging about at least 4 days a week, which is much, much better than, you know, where I left YouTube hanging. So we're back on the road to this relationship with YouTube. I'm hanging in there. Thank you guys for hanging in there with me, for watching and tuning in. I appreciate you so much. And until tomorrow, peace.